Now the first step is to restart your computer and then relaunch the game. If that does not work, install Battlestate Game Launcher from the official website. So you can go to the official website, you can search in Google and go to the official website, and then you have to log in to your account. When you try to create an account, if you're unable to create account from Yahoo or any email domain, if you're unable to create, you can use Gmail to create an account and then log in. Once you log in, go to profile, go to settings over here, and then go to downloadable content over here, and then click on download. Run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Okay. Next, next, next. Install. Let the installation complete. Make sure the check is over here. Put a check on launch Battlestate Game Launcher. Click on finish. This will launch the launcher. Continue. Now log in with your account, the account which you have created, the same account. Now once you're logged in, you will see buy option. Just close this and then go to Steam and then launch the game from here. Now over here you will see the play option. Hit play over here. Now you should be able to launch the game. Let me close the game for now. Now still not working. Runs the launcher from the game installation folder. Now for this, you can make a right click on the game on Steam, manage, browse local files, and this will open the game folders, open launcher. Over here you can see the launcher, make a right click, click on run as administrator and then check. Or if you have, run the launcher as an administrator. Do not just make a right click and run as administrator and then check. Still not working. Uncheck administrator from the launcher. Now in the launcher, when you go to the launcher properties, if this is checked over here, then you have to uncheck this box. Uncheck it, hit apply, click on OK. Then again launch the launcher from the Steam and then check. Still not working. Perform integrated check. Now for this, launch the launcher. Now over here you can see game settings. So you can click on game settings and click on integrity check. And once this is complete, now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to check for update. If there is any update, here you can click on check for update. And if there is any update, let the update complete and then check. Still not working. Clear cache. To clear cache, again click on game settings. And over here you can see clear cache. And once that is done, now you can launch the game and then check. You can even try changing the region if you can. You can try this game settings. You can try change region. You can try to change the region and then hit apply and then you can check. If that does not work, then you can use the automatic server selection and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start BattleEye service. Now to start BattleEye service, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services over here. Find BattleEye service. Here you can see BattleEye service, make a double click. You can set it to manual or automatic and then you can hit apply. Click on start if highlighted. Now once done, you can click on OK, make a right click on BattleEye service and then click on restart. Now once done, you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall BattleEye. Now for this, you can go to the game installation folder, make a right click on the game, manage, browse local files, and then open the build folder, BattleEye folder. Here you can see this uninstall BattleEye, make a right click, run as administrator only, click on yes to allow, and then make a right click on install BattleEye, and then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow. And then you can relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. You can run this BE service x64, run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and this will close automatically. Once this is done, launch the game and then check. Still not working. Uninstall BattleEye, run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Do not install this time. Instead you can launch the game. Once launcher is open, click on play Now during the launch, it will start the BattleEye service. It will install the BattleEye and you should be able to launch the game. Still not working. The next step is to allow the game exe file to antivirus program or Windows security. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to privacy and security, Windows security, and then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down at the bottom, you will see manage ransomware protection. Click on it. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app, browser apps, go to the game installation folder wherever the game is installed. So first of all, open the game folder. In my case, this is the location. Open the game folder and then open the launcher, add the launcher exe, open, and then click on add an allowed app, browser apps, open this, go back and open the build folder and then select all this exe file. Select this exe file as well. Again, browser labs, select this game. Yeah, once added, and now you can open control panel. Let me close the game for now. Now, if you type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel, system and security, Windows Defender Firewall. Click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, allow another app, click on browse, go to the game installation folder and then add the launcher first. Open, add. In my case, it is already added. Again, allow another app, click on browse, open the build folder, select all the exe file over here. In my case, I have already added. Allow another app, browse, select this exe file as well, open, and again allow another app, click on browse, and then yeah, added, already added. Once it is added, now you can launch the game. Now, if you have any other third-party antivirus, like if you have Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, ESET, whichever antivirus program you have, allow the game all the three exe file. And if you are able to allow game assembly.dll from the game installation folder, it is under the build folder. I'll show you. To the exclusion list of your antivirus program, you can add this game assembly.dll also. I don't have any third-party antivirus. For Kaspersky users, you can add this escape from Tarkov exe, escape from Tarkov exe, and gameassembly.dll from the game folder to the trusted binaries, and then you can launch the game. Next step is to close all kind of third-party application. Like if you have Zeppret app, Riot, Vanguard, other anti-cheat program, you can close the rest of the application and then launch the game. Next step is to verify the game files. Now for this, you can go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, go to install files tab, and then click on verify integrative game files. Once the verification is 100% complete, launch the game and then check. Rename the config or settings folder. When you do so, all the saved settings will be lost. Now for this, you can open File Explorer on the computer, go to this PC, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, open app data folder, open the local folder. Sorry, not the local folder, open roaming folder, and over here find battle state games folder and then escape from Tarkov, and then here you can see settings. It has all the config file, so you can make a right click on settings and then you can rename it, and then you can relaunch the game and then check. All the saved settings will be lost. Now still not working. The next step is to perform clean installation of your graphics card driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. Select your graphic card, your operating system, click on find. And on this page, whichever is the latest graphic card driver, whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, you can click on view and then you can click on download and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, click on OK, and then click on agree and continue over here, and then select custom option and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check over here and then click on next. After the clean installation is done, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. AMD card users, similarly, you can go to AMD website, do the same thing, select your graphic card, make sure that you select your graphic card. This is just an example. I don't have AMD graphic, so click on submit and then select your operating system, whichever is the latest whichever AMD graphic card driver, download it, install it, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run the game from the dedicated graphic card. on the dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box, click on graphics settings over here, and then click on add desktop app, and then go to the game installation folder. Wherever the game is installed, open the game folder, build folder, select the game exe file, click on add. Once the game is added over here, you can click on the game, select high performance over here, and then launch the game. You will see your graphic card again. Select this exe file, click on add, and you can set it to high performance and then launch the game. Similarly, desktop users, make sure that you connect your HDMI cable or display cable to the dedicated graphic card slot, not the motherboard slot. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see Visual Studio file. You have to download this x86 and x64 version. So click on this x86 file and then run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. Click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file as well, and again run this exe file. If you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. Then click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Make sure both the files are installed. Once installed, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can launch the game. Still not working. The next step is to try power saver mode. Now for this, type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on control panel, and then go to hardware and sound, and then go to power options. And over here in my case, I have only balanced, but in your case, if you see power saver option like this, you can select power saver, launch the game, and then check. If it is already set to power saver, you can try balanced or high performance, but first of all try power saver and then launch the game. Next step is to enable or disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box, click on graphics settings over here. So click on advanced graphics settings over here, and if hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, if this is off, you can turn it on, relaunch the game, and then check. If this is already on, you can turn it off, and then you can relaunch the game and then check. Now still not working. The next step is to disable integrated graphic card. Now make a right click on the start menu, go to device manager. Now expand display adapter. If your computer has a dual graphic card, in my case the Intel is integrated, this is the discrete graphic card. So make a right click on the integrated graphic card and disable device, and then you can relaunch the game and then check. Now if you face any problem, and once you are done playing the game, you can make a right click, enable the device once again. Next step is to next step is to roll back graphics card driver. So if the latest graphic card driver is not working, so on NVIDIA website, once you select your graphic card, your operating system, on this page, you can scroll down and then go to view more versions, and maybe you can try the older graphic card driver. You can click on view, download it, install it. But when you go for installation, make sure that you put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, then click on next. After the clean installation is done, restart your computer and then launch the game. Similarly, AMD card users, after you select your graphic card, you can click on previous versions over here and select your operating system. Maybe you can try this one or maybe this one, and then download it, install it, restart your computer, and then check. Next step is to delete DirectX shader cache. Now for this, type in disk cleanup in Windows search box, click on disk cleanup over here, and then put a check on shader and DirectX shader cache. If this is unchecked, you can put a check over here, put a check on everything, and then click on OK, and then delete files. And then once this is done, you can relaunch the game or restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to install DirectX. Now for this, you can download this, run this exe file, click on yes to allow, and then accept, next, uncheck install Bing bar, next, and let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, click on finish, restart your computer, and then launch the game. Next step is to try launching the game from NVIDIA app. NVIDIA card users, launch NVIDIA app, and over here you will see the game added to your NVIDIA app. Then you can click on play over here, try to launch the game from here, and then check. If that does not work, you can go to settings or you can go to graphics, and then you can select escape from Tarkov game. And over here, and if it is not optimized, you will see optimize option like this. In my case, I have already optimized, so you will see optimize option like this. So you can click on optimize, and once the optimization is done, now you can click on play, launch the game, and then check. If it is already optimized, in that case, you can revert the optimization, and then you can go to settings, turn off this NVIDIA overlay, turn it off, and then close this, relaunch the game, and then check. Now try debug mode. Now for this you can go to desktop, make a right click on the desktop, show more option, NVIDIA control panel, and then go to help option and then put a check on debug mode. So make sure this is checked and then relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, you can restore the NVIDIA control panel settings. Now for this you can go to NVIDIA control panel once again and then go to manage 3D settings, global settings, restore, yes, and at the bottom right you will see apply option, hit apply over here, and once done, now you can relaunch the game and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to try Google DNS server. Now for this, type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel, go to network and internet, network and sharing center, click on your internet, go to properties, select internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4, select properties, use the following DNS server addresses over here, type in 8888 and it's 8844. Put a check on validate settings. Upon exit, click on OK, close this, and then you can relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, you can even try this server. Now for this you can again click on properties over here on your internet and then again internet protocol version 4 properties. This time you can select this, select use the following DNS server and then type in 1111 and then it's 1001, then click on validate settings. Upon exit, click on OK, close this, and then you can relaunch the game and then check. Still not working, you can switch back to automatic. So if that does not work, in that case you can try this, scroll down, uncheck this internet protocol version 6, uncheck it and then click on OK, and now launch the game and then check. And once you are done playing the game, you can put a check on internet protocol version 6 once again after you're done playing the game and then check. If still not working, you can switch back to internet protocol version 4's properties. You can switch back to automatic over here, click on OK, close this, and then relaunch the game. Next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, and then click on yes to allow. Copy all these commands one by one. All the commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Copy all the commands one by one, paste it, hit the enter key. All the commands are provided in the video description. Once done, now restart the game. After the system restart, launch the game. Next step is to, if you're using VPN, you can turn it off, you close the VPN and then check. For many users, using the VPN has worked, so you can try both on and off and then check. Next step is to lower down monitor refresh rate. Suppose your monitor refresh is 240 Hz, you can try 120, you can lower it down to 120 or 60 Hz and then check. Next step is to increase the virtual memory. To increase the virtual memory, type in View Advanced System Settings in Windows search box and then click on View Advanced System Settings over here. And then under Advanced, click on Settings, the first setting, and then click on Advanced tab and then click on Change over here. You have to uncheck the box and then you have to select the drive where the game is installed. Make sure that you select the drive where the game is installed and then select custom size. And for initial size is 1.5 multiplied total RAM, for maximum is 3 multiplied total RAM. So you can check total RAM in Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option. And over here you can see in my case it's 16 gigabytes. So you have to calculate as per your RAM. And if you face any problem, we can always revert back the settings. So do not worry about it. So in my case it's 16 gigabyte multiplied 1024. That is total RAM in megabyte. For initial size it's 1.5 multiplied 1.5. That is 24576. For maximum size, it's total RAM, that is 16 multiplied 1024. In my case, 16384 megabyte. Then 3 times multiplied 3, that is for maximum size, it's 49152 in my case. And then you have to click on set. Set is important. Make sure that it hits set and then click on OK and then OK. OK. Now relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, then type in View Advanced System Settings again
and then click on View Advanced System Settings. Go to Settings over here, click on Change Advanced tab, and then click on Change, and then select System Manage Size this time, and then click on Set. Set is important. Click on OK. Click on OK over here. Hit Apply. Click on OK. OK. You will see Restart option. Restart your computer and then check. Still not working. We will revert to default. So you can type in View Advanced System Settings once again. Settings, Advanced, Change, and put a check on this box, and then hit Apply. Click on OK. Follow the next step.
Still not working. The next step is to unplug all the external devices which you're not using, like if you have quotas, wheel, pedals, any kind of USB adapter connected, disconnect external keyboard and mouse which you're not using. Like if you have Keychron keyboard or Razer Huntsman keyboard, you can disconnect it. Razer Tartarus, disconnect it. Disconnect all kinds of USB adapter dongles connected to the computer. Disconnect extra controller connected to the computer. Sometimes we have extra controller connected, disconnected. Disconnect multiple monitor. Try launching the game on single monitor. If you have any third-party application or services running, you can close it. Disable Steam overlay. Now for this, you can go to Steam, make our right click on the game, select properties, turn off the option which says enable the Steam overlay while in game, and then check. If it is already off, then turn it on and then check. Close other overlay application like Discord running. Go to Discord settings, turn off overlay, and then close Discord. NVIDIA app settings, turn off NVIDIA overlay, and close all overlay application. Set do not overclock. Set the overclocking to default. Close all the overclocking application, like if you have MSI, Afterburner, Riva Tuner running, close it. Perform clean boot. Now for this, type in system configuration in Windows set box, click on system configuration, go to the services tab, put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services, and then click on, make sure this is checked, and then hit disable all, click on apply, click on OK. You will see a restart option. Restart your computer and then check. If you have undervolted your computer, remove the undervolt and then check. Next step is to update your Windows. This is important. So go to Windows Update and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. If able to launch the game, you can try window mode and lower down the video settings and then check. Still not working. The next step is to update the BIOS. So go to your system manufacturer website, select your model number, and then update the BIOS. In case of laptop, make sure battery is more than 10% and the AC adapter is connected to the computer when you update the BIOS. The last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drives. So if nothing is working, you can uninstall the game. After you uninstall, go to the game installation folder, delete the game folder, and then install the game to C drive. So if the game is installed to D drive, E drive, or any external drive, try to install the game to C drive and then check. If the game is already installed to C drive, try installing the game to another SSD and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to run this game successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.